Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bossbae Kamsy. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my fresh orange juice for my son. I give him fresh orange juice every day to help him to, because he's always constipated. He hardly goes to toilet. So today I'm just going to be showing you what I'm using to make the orange juice. So I'll be using 2 oranges, a plastic cup, knife to peel my orange, and my manual juicer. Yeah, it's manual. I've got the electric one, that's it over there, but I don't want to be bringing it out and fixing it back in the box just because I want to do 2 oranges for him every day. No, so I decided to get a manual juicer, which is will I say it's better, preferable, because of the quantity I make. But if I'm doing like a family juice for everyone, yeah, I'll use that one. So I'll start by peeling my orange, and after peeling my orange, I'm peeling it right now, like peeling the orange, and after that we go into the squeezing or juicing, whichever word you prefer to use, but I'll stick to my Nigerian squeezing. So yes, my oranges are ready. See, it's clean. Then I'll have to wash my hands again because the acid or whatever that comes from the orange. Now I'll show you how I'm going to do it. I will just have to cut this. And put it here, just like this, and squeeze. It's not difficult actually, it's very easy, and not much time wasting or something. You just do it fast. Yeah, I'm done. Just put it into the cup. You see the beads? If you can see the beads, I think it's too close to the camera, but look at it, you've got the beads. I'll have to put everything into the cup. I'll just grab a spoon to take out the beads. Yes, put it into his cup. And that's it. I'm done with my juicing, but I'll just show you what the end product looks like. So this is it. Yes. Meanwhile, I actually got this product as in the manual juicer from ASDA. I think I got it for £1, but I'll leave the link below for anyone who wants to get it. For those in Nigeria, I think it's you can get it from Balogun market in Lagos. I don't know, but if you want, you can check from the Balogun market in Lagos, or any market at all that sells stuffs for juicing or anything. But this 2-piece here is the bomb. That will be all today for the video. I just wanted to show you how I do fresh juice for my son, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button just there, so you get notified when I upload a new video. And that will be all for today. Bye.